Alright, back at it once again. About to do some welding today. Finally, got the generator, got the welder all dialed in, we're ready to go. Here she is. I know it's a Harbor Freight welder, but it is a gas one.
She'll do the fucking job.
Mm-hmm.
She'll do it right.
Yep.
That's all that matters.
Here's the Debo generator. V-twin. She's badass. Alright, so right now we're just doing a little metal cleanup so that we can weld her in and it's not going to look like dog shit.
Yep. It's going to be nice and clean. We're doing it right. We need this 240 to be strong because we're going to be beating the shit out of it.
Fuck yeah. Do you have like an actual grinding wheel?
What do you mean?
Like a stone wheel?
Oh, what am I thinking, dude? What am I thinking? Wait till you see what I got. That's the real question.
This bad bitch has a 100 shot of nitrous hooked up.
Dude. Repping the bacon. If you don't know what that is, go check it out on the App Store.
Is this on the ground? Is that a ground? I don't know, that was on the ground, never mind. I'm talking about a couple. Yeah, a couple.
Alright, that might do it.
Yeah, let's test her out. Test fit.
And the man has showed up.
What up?
What's up?
Good, dude.
What about koozie with me?
That's cool. Hell yeah. Oh shit, dude, that's fucking perfect.
Yeah, dude, here, fucking the GoPro, an SD card, and a charger.
Hell yeah,
Yours
much
could be
appreciated.
mine, I don't know.
Shout out to Live to Dabble. Follow him on Instagram and subscribe to him on YouTube.
Maybe like get cases for all the old ones.
Ryan's going in. It's gonna be mad tight.
Oh, I gotta turn the welder on.
Oh fuck! Here, I'll get it. on this bitch.
Round two, put the second
Getting
piece
in. Second piece. It's looking fucking way better than I expected, honestly.
What's it set at on the left sleeve?
Oh shit, it's mad low. That's why.
What's it set at?
It's not on anything. Just open it more.
Oh, dude, I don't even think it's off.
Oh, it's off.
Turn it all
Oh
the way
shit.
to the left. Deadening's catching on fire.
Yeah, I know. I should probably grab an extinguisher.
Alright, so we got her tacked in there. Got a couple stitch welds in there. That's all we're gonna do for tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and weld it the rest of the way in. I'm also going to cut a triangle out to fit in here to cover that hole, and I don't know where the frame rail went, but that will slide right up over that, and it's gonna get welded in there. Probably gonna tack it up tomorrow. Hell yeah. Came out, man. Alright, that's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll be back again tomorrow for some more welding. Hey, see you later.
What it is.